Hey everyone, and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to be doing ice cream again, as you read by the title. This time, this is my own recipe, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make chai tea ice cream. So some of the spices kind of settled at the bottom, so I want to get all my spices in the ice cream. Alright, so I'm going to start with about 2 cups of chai tea that I made last night and let sit in the fridge so it can get well chilled. And then I'm going to add a can of condensed milk, and this is 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Alright, and I like to get all my money, so we're going to scrape all that off there. Alright, so let's go ahead and pour this in. So you can see sweetened condensed milk is very, very thick. Yeah. So, you know, I'm trying to think of the history of sweetened condensed milk. I know that it was used during the pioneer times to preserve milk. They would add a bunch of sugar and then they would cook it to preserve it. You know, I wonder if I could find some of the recipes from back then. Ooh, guess I better hold that in place while I do that. Alright, so let me get this mixed up. I had to do it gently. I don't want anything splashing out. So we'll see if this comes out alright. This is my recipe. 2 ingredients: chai tea and condensed milk. And we'll see if it freezes in the ice cream maker. Alright, and again, I had everything in the refrigerator getting cool. Alright. Looks like it's well mixed now. Alright, let me go ahead and pour this in here. Scrape out anything that remains. I think what would really be good in here is some fresh cracked pepper, which I know that sounds weird. Alright, so I am going to put a little pepper. I wish I had some peppercorn. I would just crush it and put it in there. But I'm going to add just a touch of black pepper, because when I first had chai tea, it always had black pepper in it. Now it doesn't. Alright, let's get this in the machine and get it started. Okay, it looks like ice cream. Looks like very soft ice cream as well. It's funny how different ice creams come out different consistencies, isn't it? So this one's really soft. And it's melting fast because it's hot. Alright, let me get this out. Alright. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I don't think you can. There we go. So I did put a little bit of pepper in here because it used to be when I first started buying chai was in college. And the chai I bought had pepper in it. And it was kind of a nice warm, it just added this warmth to the taste of it. But now the chai that they sell nowadays doesn't have the pepper in it. It's weird. Okay, get as much off as I can off the sides there. There we go. Alright. Now the taste test. It's good. You can kind of taste the pepper. It's not really as predominant as I thought it was going to be, but you can kind of taste it. Let me get a spoon real quick. All right. So it looks like ice cream. So it'll get a little harder once it's in the freezer. So that's my chai tea ice cream. Yummy, yummy. It looks so good. I'm going to get a spoonful for me and a spoonful for my mom. And we're going to have nice, good, yummy chai tea ice cream. Well, thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. I'll see you next time.